channel CSC Education. Myself Subhendu Kumar Dani, lecturer in mathematics. Today I will discuss about the topic problem based on integration by using trigonometry substitution method. Okay, by related formula. Formula is firstly integration of bx divided by x square plus of a square in the root of factor equals to ln x plus x square plus of a square in the root over plus c. That is the problem related question today I am discuss. Okay, the question is, suppose in the integrations of 4x square plus 3 in the root over factor. Okay, I am today discuss this related problem. Okay, now answer is here integration of 4x square plus 3 in the root over factor is divided by. So first of all the value is converted to now dx divided by 2x whole square plus root 3 whole square in the root over. Okay, now here I am proved already this formula. So firstly here put 2x equals to, in the constant factor here root 3, so here in the a here root 3, so root 3 of tan theta. Okay, now x is a function of theta, that means derivative both sides with respect to theta. So d by d theta, so here value is 2 dx by d theta equals to root 3 sec square theta. Okay, now this value implies that dx equals to here, because we convert 2x, x is the variable in the form of theta, so dx is converted to theta form. Okay, so dx equals to here root 3 divided by 2 of sec square theta and d theta. Okay, substitute this value in the part. So here value is now, this value equals to root 3 by 2 of sec square theta d theta whole divided by, here 2x is here root 3 tan theta in the root over factor plus of root 3 whole square, the root over and the integrations. Now this value equals to root over root 3 by 2 is the constant factor, is the common. Now this value is sec square theta d theta whole divided here root 3 square tan square theta root 3 square, so root 3 square is common factor in the root over factor, so value is root 3. Now tan square theta plus 1 is sec square theta, in the root over of sec square theta is sec theta. Okay, alright. Now here cancel the value root 3 and root 3. One part of sec square theta in the upper level, in the lower level is sec theta, so this value is also cancelled it. So now value is 1 by 2 in the integration of sec theta d theta. Okay, so this value is equals to, in the formula of sec theta integration is ln sec theta plus of tan theta plus c. Okay, now 1 by 2 ln, here converted in the form of sec theta, because here put value is tan theta form, don't convert the tan theta, here convert the sec theta. By the square relation we know that sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. So sec theta here root over of, here sec theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta in the root over. Okay, alright. So value is here 1 plus tan square theta in the root over plus of tan theta plus c. Okay, so here tan theta value is 2x divided by root 3. Substitute this value in this equations or this part. So 1 by 2 ln 1 plus tan square theta. So value is 2x divided by root 3 of whole square in the root over factor plus 2x divided by root 3. Okay, plus c. So this value equals to 1 by 2. Here value is ln root 3 square plus 2x square the root over plus 2x divided by here root 3 square is root 3, root over factor is, so 2x divided by root 3 plus c. Now but this part 1 by 2 ln 2x plus root 3 or 4x square plus 3 in the root over of this plus c is your answer. Okay, I discuss another questions. Related this formula. Question is integration dx divided by x ln x whole square plus 8 in the root over. Okay, so first converted this question. Answer is here. Given question is dx divided by x ln x whole square plus 8 in the root over. Now 8 here a square, so this factor is converted to in this form equals to this value equals to dx divided by x ln x whole square plus here root 8 whole square. Now this factor is converted to this part. Alright, in the question ln factor here, so substitute the value, put ln x equals to root 8 of tan theta. Okay, now this value implies that ln x equal to root 8 of tan theta, so derivative both sides with respect to theta, so value is here 1 by x dx equals to root 8 sec square theta and d theta. Substitute this value in this part, so value is here now 1 by x dx by x is value. Okay, alright, root 8 sec square theta d theta whole divided by root 8 tan theta whole square plus root 8 whole square in the root over factor. Okay, now this value equals to root 8 is the constant factor, is the common factor, so now the value is integration sec square theta d theta. Here root 8 square root 8 tan square theta, root 8 square the common factor in the root over factor is here root 8. Okay, tan square theta plus of 1, here we know that by the square relation 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, but here root over factor, so value is sec theta. Okay, so here cancel the value root 8 1 sec, so integration here now sec theta d theta. Okay, we know that sec theta formula of integration is ln sec theta plus tan theta plus c. Now we convert the value sec theta, okay, because you have put ln x is root 8 of tan theta, so value is 10 here. Okay, so now value is ln, in this value 1 plus of tan square theta in the root over plus tan theta plus of c. Okay, alright. Now here tan theta value is ln 1 plus value is here root 8. Here ln x value is ln of x by root 8 whole square, the root over plus tan theta is ln of x by root 8 plus c. Okay, alright. So this value equals to ln of this value is 8 whole square value. So ln x whole square in the root over factor divided by root of 8 plus ln of x by root 8 plus c. Now in the value e equals to ln x of ln x plus ln x whole square plus of 8 in the root over plus c your answer. Okay. Now I am discuss another formula, integration of dx divided by x square minus of a square in the root over. Okay, so this formula is here ln x plus x square minus of a square in the root over plus c. I am discuss this related problem. Okay, question is integration e to power 5x dx divided by e to power 10 of x minus 6 suppose the root over. Okay. Now this question solution is here. This value equals to first converted e to power 5x dx divided by here e to power 5x in the whole square minus root 6 of whole square in the root over. Okay. Now converted this factor. So put here e to power 5 of x equals to root 6 because here a is a constant factor, here root 6. Okay. Root 6 of here now substitute sec theta. Okay. Previous problem is plus, here minus sign. So previous question put tan theta, but here sec theta. Okay, all right. Now derivative both side with respect to theta. So value is here 5 e to power 5x dx equals to root 6 sec theta. In the derivative of sec theta is sec theta tan theta, the d theta here now. Okay. Now substitute this value in this part. The value is here now root 6 divided by 5 sec theta tan theta and d theta whole divided by here value is root 6 sec theta whole square minus root 6 whole square the root over. Okay, of integration. Now this factor here root 6 by 5 is a constant factor in the root 6 by 5 is a constant in the common. Now value is here sec theta tan theta divided by here root 6 square, here root 6 square. So 2 root 6 square value is common in the root over factors. Value is root 6 now. Sec square theta minus of 1 by the square relation. Sec square theta minus of 1 is tan square theta. But here root over factor value is tan theta of a theta. Okay. Here root 6 cancel out. Tan theta value is cancel out. Value is 1 by 5 integration of sec theta d theta. We know that the integration of sec theta is ln sec theta plus of tan theta plus c. Okay, alright. Now this value equals to 1 by 5 ln of we convert the tan theta here, not convert the sec theta, because substitute here sec theta factor. In this part sec is find out. Okay, so sec theta equal to here root e to power 5x divided by root 6. So value is e to power 5x divided by root 6 plus here tan theta is tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus of 1. So that value is e to power 5x by root 6 square minus of 1 in the root over plus c. Okay, alright. Now this value equals to 1 by 5 ln here common factor is e to power 5x by root 6 plus e to power 10x e to power 10x e to power 10x because squaring factor minus root 6 here value is root 6 square factor is 6. Okay, 6 in the root over total value c. Okay, now divided by root 6. This value equals to 1 by 5 ln e to power 5x plus e to power 10x minus 6 in the root over plus c. Okay, this is the answer of these questions. Okay. Another question discuss 4x square minus, so value is 6 in the root over. Okay, this question firstly converted of this format. So value is now integrations dx divided by 2x whole square minus root 6 whole square in the root over. Okay, so here put root 6 equals to 2x equals to root 6 of sec theta, and value is 2. Dx equals to root 6 sec theta, tan theta and d theta. This value equals imply that dx equals to root 6 divided by 2 sec theta, tan theta and d theta. Substitute this value in this part. So value is now converted to root 6 by 6, the constant factor firstly converted this value. Integrations of dx value is now sec theta tan theta of d theta whole divided by the root 6 sec theta whole square minus root 6 whole square in the root over. Okay, now this value equals to root 6 by 2, the root over factor, root 6 by 2. Now sec theta, tan theta, d theta. Now here converted root 6 whole square, sec square theta, root 6. Here common is root 6 factor in the root over, root 6 whole square of root over is root 6. Sec square theta minus of 1, we know that sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. In the tan square theta root over factor is tan theta. Okay, here cancel the value root 6, here 1 tan theta, integration of 1 by 2 of here 1 by 2 of integration sec theta d theta. Okay, learn in the sec theta integration is sec theta plus of tan theta plus c. Okay, now converted the tan theta factor 1 by 2 learn sec theta here, sec theta is 2x divided by root 6 plus here 2x divided by root 6 whole square minus of 1 in the root over plus c. Okay, now this value equals to 1 by 2 ln 2x plus 4x square minus 6 in the root over, here root over 6, here root over of 6, value plus c. Now this value equals to 1 by 2. Learn a constant factor. So 2x plus 4x square minus 6 in the root over plus c. Okay, this is the. Today I am discuss problem based on the integration by using trigonometric substitution. Subscribe my channel, like and any comments share with my channel CSC Education. Thank you.